Yo, so what's up guys? So I just pulled up from Wrench Monkey's shop and my lower control arms actually came in. They came in just this morning, so he gave me a call. I pulled up, I picked them up, so now they're in the garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything up, jack it up, and we'll get started with the install. As you can see here, these are the lower control arms. And hopefully that music isn't copyrighted. Yeah, I'm working with my daughter in the garage, but hopefully that music isn't copyrighted because we don't want that. But anyway, these are the True Heart lower control arms that I got. And since I'm uploading this video before I'm uploading my next video, got a seat in finally. So there's one seat, which is a passenger. It's the Sparkle seat. So the next seat will be coming in soon, and waiting for the rails and sliders. So, well, one more rail and then the two sliders, and that's it. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this car on jack stands and get started. Okay, so basically all I'm doing is taking off all these nuts. They all basically seem to be 3/4. So except for that one up there, that might be a 10. These right here are 3/4. So I'm taking those off right now. And I don't know if this is correct, but I don't think that camber bolt's supposed to be there. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be back there. But I'm gonna do a little bit of research, and I'll catch you guys when I get this all off. It should be simple though. Just take this one, that one, and that last one off, and it should all just come right off. It sounds that simple, but car stuff isn't really that simple. So I'll probably catch you guys in like 30 minutes. As well, my phone had died, but didn't really get too far because I charged it. So this is what happened. Took this off completely, so you guys can see it's right here. Camber bolt was in the wrong place, so I'm gonna have to put that in the right place. Now the thing is though, before I put this other one in, I don't know if this is right. When I bought these, I was just gonna buy the normal ones. Then they called me back and asked if I wanted the extremes, and I said yes. And I don't know if this is what they meant by extreme. Like, this seems like it's locked really well, but is this safe? Like, will my car be able to like sit on this? I don't know if this is right. So I'm waiting for Ray to call me back, and let's gonna wait to confirm this first. So I can't put this in yet because I don't want to put it in and then have to take it back out. But as you guys can see, look at the significant difference in that. That's crazy. If you guys can put it side by side, match the bolts. That's crazy. That's a huge difference. I don't know if that's right, so we're gonna wait on that before I put it in. But it was super easy, so let's hope Ray gets back to us real soon, and we'll go ahead and put it in. So I did get this one done. As you guys can see, it's actually zeroed out. I believe it's zeroed out. Actually, there probably is a little bit of camber left, but it's still a lot less camber than my OEM one. The only reason I have it that way is because I put them back to like as small as I can make them, so it's easier for me to install. So as you can see here, this is what this side looks like. It actually still looks like more camber than this side, but that's only gonna be like that for a little bit. I'm gonna max them out eventually. I'm probably gonna wait until I get it aligned though, and then have them max out as much as possible. So for now, let's go ahead and put it on the other side. And once I finish putting that side on, I'll show you guys exactly how it looks before I put the wheel on. I was just kind of in a hurry just because I kind of got frustrated and got happy I finished it, so I just put the wheel back on. So let me go ahead and do the other side and show you guys how the actual finished product looks. 5 minutes on that other side, and we're basically done. Figured out a faster way to do this. So here's are some tips. Might seem dumb, but for somebody who really hasn't done it before, it might be useful. First of all, don't try to work on the car like this. I did the whole side doing this the whole time, reaching over the whole time. I don't know why. Obviously, if you really think about it, I don't know why. The smarter way to obviously do it is to actually lay from the bottom. This actually helped out a lot. I got this in, like I said, within 3 minutes. Let me go ahead and just explain to you guys now that we're here how this goes. So basically, I went ahead and took off the stock camber bolt. These won't affect really anything no more once you have these arms down here, because the only way that this cambers out is when it pushes this disc with a little piece of metal that's on the other control arm, and it pushes the disc out more. So with this, it won't affect anything. But the reason we need this one is because this is actually quite a bit of a long gap, so this was the only bolt long enough for that. So we went ahead and used that for here. Then what you're gonna have to do is put a bolt through the middle here, and then also here in the middle as well for the sway link. And then for the rear, obviously you just put a bolt there as well. Don't forget to also put washers in between here and here, and here and here in the insides. before you even put in the bolts, so that you can actually really fit snug, because as you guys can see, there's a little bit of room jumping around in there. So that's basically it for the rear. So let me go ahead and put all the bolts and screw it all together and then show you guys what it looks like. So it's finally all in. So let me give you guys a quick rundown. This is everything you need to know on installing lower control arms, at least on my S300. You basically have to take off that 3/4 nut off there, one right here, and one right here, and one right here as well. Take off that 12 right there. And don't forget to put a jack under here and leave it at the level it's usually at. It actually helps, so you can just drop the arm and then put the new one back in. Also, don't forget to try to match the lengths of the control arms before you install them. It'll be a lot easier than having to try to put it on while adjusted already. So don't forget to do that. And don't also forget to work under the car. It actually helps it a lot easier than to actually work on the side of the car. And also don't forget to put a jack stand, not a Harbor Freight one. Make sure it's a good one. So you could actually work under the car comfortably. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what it looks like. Actually really took me like 10-20 minutes to do one side. The other side took me a lot longer, just because there was a lot that I actually had to learn. For example, probably a lot better if you jack up both sides, because the sway arm is unbalanced when you do that. So because the sway arm is actually unbalanced when you only do one side, so make sure you lift both sides up. And besides that, that's really it for this install. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really dirty, sorry, but hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Still have more coming. Wasn't expecting this part, so I still have a lot more to come. There's still a lot more on its way, so don't forget to subscribe, and hope you enjoyed. Please comment down below what you think I should do with my car next, and also don't forget to follow my social medias down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. I don't know what the hell's happening right there.
Bye.